Hey guys, it's Ashley. I wanted to make a video because I got a reseller mystery box from Denali, aka El Ducho. I had been saving up my Poshmark credits just for this. I have watched her videos for a long time. I've learned so much from her videos, and one thing I noticed was that in my area, I really can't even put the knowledge that her videos put out there to use because in our area we just don't have things like that. I live in southern West Virginia. There's nothing. So I wanted to order this box so I could have a chance to maybe get some brands that I wouldn't normally get here. Before I show you what all was in the box, I just want to say the description from her listing on Poshmark says all pre-owned items are in good condition. However, they may need to be washed, depilled, steamed, or lint rolled. Brands may include things like Patagonia, Madewell, Topshop, Zara, Lucky, etc. Obviously, you're not guaranteed any of these brands. I just wanted to show you my box because I'm really happy with it, and I think it's a great resource for people that maybe live in areas like I do and you just don't have the chance to find things like Madewell, Free People, whatever. I think it's a great resource for that. So, the very first thing that was in the box, I might butcher this name. I've never even heard of it before. It is Custo Barcelona top. It is new with tags, as you can see. It retailed for $80. Here's the tag. I am not good at looking things up sometimes. This, I kind of had a hard time looking up, but I'm hoping to get around like 30 or 40 for this. I found comps all over the place, but I think it's a cute top. I don't think there should be any problem getting at least 30 for it. The next thing, I love this, is a Madewell open back sundress. I know you probably won't be able to see it, but I'll try to put like a stock photo in the video. Here's the open back. It's so cute. I found comps for this one for like $45. I'm really excited about this. Like I said, we don't have brands like this here, so this is my first piece of Madewell. Okay, next is this pair of Free People jeans. They're like really soft, like almost like a velvety type material. Here's the tag. This is another thing I'm having trouble finding, but I think I can at least get like 25 bucks for them. I'm gonna have to look more into it before I list them. I haven't tried looking up the style number or anything yet, so there's that. Next is this, I might butcher this name too, is it BCBG Max Azria dress? It just says Max Azria on the tag. I don't know if you're supposed to add the BC or whatever. I don't know. But it's really cute. It's this black like mini dress. It's got like a tiered bottom, and it's another open back thing. There's like a little halter string thing up here, kinda. It's really cute. Actually, if this has extra small, it might not be a dress. It might be like a tunic, but I'm not for sure. I think it's a dress. I haven't found this exact dress yet. I tried to look it up for just a minute, but I haven't found much. But I think I can at least get 25 bucks out of that one, maybe more. The next thing is a dress from Urban Outfitters. The brand is Luxe. I'll try to show you the tag. And it's this adorable little plaid shirt dress. I love it. It's got like a tie around thing in the middle. I think I found the actual style name of this one. It was High Plains Drifter Dress. I found a picture of, I think, Lauren Conrad wearing one. I'm hoping to get $30 out of that one. And the last thing is this super cute Gap puffer vest with like a detachable fur hood thing. Really cute. It's like an olive green color, which I think is really in this season. Here's the tag. I can't get it. Yeah. I think I can probably get like 25 bucks out of this. It's really nice. I just wanted to mention that everything in this box was in wonderful condition, and that's something that I've seen a lot of people have complaints about with other resellers, like mystery boxes. Because, you know, with Poshmark, you're not, like, you don't have the protection for reseller boxes or mystery boxes. Because, I mean, they can't really guarantee what's going to be in it because you don't know. But I just wanted to mention that everything's in great condition. I mean, I figured it would be. It's just nice to have that assurance that when you order something that's a mystery, that you know you'll at least be getting quality items. So basically, just a breakdown. I paid, I think, $49, I think, shipped for this box. And estimated value, I think, is going to be like $190. Maybe more, maybe less, I'm not sure, but that's like $140 profit. That's awesome. Obviously gross before, you know, Poshmark takes their fees and whatever, but I think that's a great profit. I think it was a great box. I'd definitely buy it again. I feel like this is a great resource to have for, like, I also feel like this is something that resellers don't talk about very much, but if you don't have the extra money to go sourcing one week, you can use your credits from your Posh affiliate earnings to order reseller mystery boxes. And I feel like with Denali's boxes, you have kind of an assurance that you're not just going to get crap. With other resellers, I mean, who knows? It's a gamble. But I just wanted to make this video to show my box. I'm really happy with it. Like I said, I'll be ordering another one in the future. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a great day.